Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to convert an Instagram profile to a professional account. If you are using Instagram and now you want to convert your profile to a professional account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. And here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And here just scroll down and you will get account types and tools. Just here, just tap on it. Then tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on next option. And here select your category. I'm going to select artist or let's try something else. Just select the option. Then tap on switch to professional account. And here you must have to select what type of professional are you. Here's the business and creator. I'm going to select creators, but you can also select business if you have. And here just tap on OK option and your profile is ready. You must have to make a simple setup here. Here is you have to enter your profile, complete your profile and just select much more options. So you must have to make some simple settings here, but your professional content ready. So that's how you can easily convert an Instagram profile to a professional account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.